Okay, now the crazy cardinal and the crazy woodpecker are tag teaming. Yeah, they're both pecking at the window together. Maddie's so fascinated by the crazy woodpecker, she's ignoring the squirrel who's in his hammock. Oh, now it's the cardinal. It's both of them. Okay, if someone could explain Bird 101 to me, I'd be really curious as to what's going on here. Yeah, so would Maddie. I don't know about these guys, but Mom's sure getting a headache from listening to all this window tapping. Oh, Maddie's going to try a yoga move to see if she can stretch up. Yeah. Crazy bird. There's the squirrel. Yeah, it just pecks at the window. There's a little ledge out there. Look at the way he spreads his tail. Very bizarre. All right. I know. The bird channel, I know. The bird channel's a little weird today, isn't it? Yeah. All right. Oh. Everybody's having a good time.